There is a place that pushes the limits of our imagination, a place that looks like something out of a science fiction movie: space. In this vast universe, there are mysterious worlds that are impossible to see from Earth, but are waiting to be discovered. I am ready to introduce you to 5 strange and fascinating planets hiding in the depths of space. Tres 2b, the darkest known planet. This planet, 750 light-years from our solar system, reflects less than 1% of the light that hits its surface, making it the darkest planet in the entire universe as far as we know. Part of the reason for this is the light-absorbing gases that make up the planet's mass. If an astronaut were to stand in his suit and shine a flashlight, the light would be absorbed immediately, and you can see nothing but darkness on this planet. Scientists don't know exactly why it is so dark. There is another horror lurking in the darkness of the planet: areas that burn like charcoal, glowing like they've been plucked from hell. GJ 1214b, Ocean Planet. Now, imagine you're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. The sky is blue with fluffy white clouds, but there's no land to be seen. All you can see is endless water everywhere you turn, and that's exactly what you'll find on this planet. This planet, 47 light-years from Earth. We all know that 75% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but this planet is only 0.005% of the total mass of the Earth with its layers. Scientists say that 10% of the total mass of this planet could be water. This means that the planet is covered by a huge ocean stretching kilometers deep. The planet's half capacity is 2.5 times that of the Earth, and in total, it is 6.5 times larger than the Earth. Think that 11 kilometers deep in the Earth's oceans are thousands of creatures we have yet to discover. Now imagine the oceans of that planet. Who knows what kind and how big monsters live there? Gliese 436b, Burning Ice Ball. Our next planet will shatter everything you thought you knew about chemistry, because this planet is literally a ball of ice on fire. The icy surface of this planet is constantly on fire at 436 degrees Celsius. Every icy part of the planet is on fire. So how does ice defy the laws of chemistry and remain completely intact at 436 degrees above its melting point? The answer lies in the enormous gravity of Gliese 436b. On this incredible planet, gravity is so strong that it pulls the melting icy water towards the planet's core and compresses it in an incredible way. This compression prevents the ice from vaporizing, even at incredible temperatures of 436 degrees. This causes the ice to burn instead of melting and evaporating. Koros 7b, Hellworld Raining Stones. What comes to mind when you think of rain? Cold, gloomy, and wet weather. The planet Koros 7b is a completely different world. One half of this space object is extremely hot and the other half is relatively cold. The surface temperature of the hot side reaches 2,600 degrees Celsius. This heat is enough to melt the Earth's surface. The high temperature vaporizes the rocks just like the sun vaporizes puddles of water. The surface temperature on the cold side is around 190 degrees Celsius. The rocks that evaporate on the hot side form huge clouds and are carried by the winds to the cold side. Then, like a magma rain, they rain down into the cold 190 degrees Celsius hell. Here is a real stone rain. Imagine for a moment that huge boulders are falling from the sky at every moment of the day. "55 Cancri E, Diamond Planet." This planet shines like a diamond in space, and that's because it really is a diamond. In the darkness of space, 40 light-years away, 55 Cancri A, also known as the Diamond Planet, orbits a star close to our Sun. This planet is 17 times bigger and 2 times wider than Earth, almost like a giant. But this giant is not as innocent as it seems. 55. Cancri E offers a hellish environment. With a surface temperature of more than 2,000 degrees Celsius, this planet is dominated by oceans of lava and supersonic winds of more than 5,000 kilometers. With magma oceans estimated to reach depths of 100 kilometers, it is impossible for life to exist on this planet. Even if you could go that far and get the infinite amount of diamonds this planet has to offer, bringing them back to Earth would certainly ruin the diamond stockpile and make them completely worthless. So it's best to admire this beautiful planet from the outside. So why is this planet called the Diamond Planet? Research shows that most of 55 Cancri E is made up of carbon allotropes such as graphite and diamonds. This means that the planet is literally a diamond mine. This mysterious world reminds us how diverse and amazing our solar system and beyond is. The universe is full of worlds waiting to be discovered. Perhaps there is a world under a star that harbors life and is very different from our own. In that world, perhaps there are beings who look up at the sky and attribute meaning to the stars. Perhaps they too feel lonely and dream of discovering that they are not alone in the universe. Who knows, maybe one day we will discover that world and communicate with those beings. We could find a common language and teach each other so much. Maybe together we will solve the mysteries of the universe and build a better future. We may seem small and insignificant compared to the universe, but let's not forget that each of us is a part of this infinity, and our existence makes the universe more meaningful. When we look at the sky, let us not only see the stars, let's also imagine the infinite possibilities that exist under the light of those stars. Perhaps one day, in the light of one of those stars, we will discover a whole new world. And on that day, we will realize once again that the universe is not alone.